Okay then guys, this is really annoying. um, it's really annoying. The Audi, we're gonna have to start at the top part of the car again. Why? Oh man. Yeah, so I'll show you the reason why. So if I take the light and shine it on the girl. So if I show you, so we left on this part of the car. So we're gonna have to redo the whole entire thing again. So it's so freaking annoying. So the lines are not lining up properly, as you can see here. So like, so this one ends here, and then this one starts here. It's not lining up properly. And also, here, peeled the tape off, and it left this. Well, back to the grind again. A second layer. Okay then guys, now we have the second layer all ready to go. I will see you in the next video when we actually spray the second layer and try not make a mistake again on the third.